In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gemini AI custom assembling action figure picture. This is a fun and creative way to create unique imagery using modern AI tools. To start, all you need is an internet connection and a bit of imagination. Let's dive in. First, you're going to need to open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Simply type in Google Gemini into the search bar and hit enter. Once the search results load, look for the official Google Gemini website. This is going to be your gateway to accessing the fantastic tools we'll be using today. Go ahead and click on the link to enter the site. Now that you're on the Google Gemini platform, you'll want to look for the option that says Create Image. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you'll be able to bring your creative ideas to life. Remember, creativity is key here, so don't hesitate to think outside the box. Once you're in the image creation section, you'll notice a plus sign icon. Clicking on this will allow you to upload images from your own collection. Specifically, you'll need to upload two images, one of a person and another of a motorcycle. These will serve as the base elements for the action figure image we're looking to create. Make sure the images are of good quality for the best results. After your images are neatly uploaded, it's time to craft a prompt. This is where you instruct the AI on what exactly you want it to do with the images. You'll want to describe how you'd like to transform these images into a toy assembly model. For example, you might say something like, make this motorcycle into a toy assembly model with the person in the picture on the right, sitting on the table assembling the motorcycle toy. The car is 1/4 size, and the box of the car is on the side with the label Model of the Motorcycle. Add some parts nearby to make it look realistic. This detailed prompt gives the AI clear instructions and sets the stage for a stunning creation. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, all that's left to do is hit the Submit button. This will send your instructions to the AI, which will then work its magic, transforming your uploaded images and detailed prompt into a fabulous and unique toy assembly model image. And there you have it. You've just created a custom action figure picture using Google Gemini. Feel free to download and share your artwork with friends, or use it for your own projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Keep experimenting with different prompts and images to see what other creative possibilities you can unlock. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!